making $100,000 in less than a year. Stay tuned. People out there trading short amounts of time and making huge amount of money. Is it real? Is it not? It's a very difficult thing to answer, and I've been a victim of clicking on these videos as well, making $100,000 in trading less than 1 year. Please don't click on these videos if you're interested in educating yourself in the stock market, because you're watching all the wrong content. People out there will give you the smoke and mirrors of how easy it is to make this extraordinary money and how fast, how much of a get rich quick scheme it is. Let me tell you, it's not, and they're lying to you if they tell you it is. The reason they're making huge money is if they're probably doing it many years, and they have the capital and the account to gain access to getting a return of the size they're getting. If you're starting off, it's unrealistic for you to get $100,000 in less than a year. If you do, give me your secret, I want to know. But please don't be clicking on these videos. I didn't want to do this, but it just happened that I did do it, because I just want to show you how much bullshit there is out there that people are actually clicking on. When I started to educate myself in it, I did it too, and it was all the wrong shite they're telling you, so don't listen to it. What the best thing you can do is go educate yourself, either for free or pay for education. And there is a lot of free education on YouTube too, so if you want to take that route and educate yourself for freely as much as you can, fantastic, do that. But I'm just letting you know, you're watching all the wrong content if you're looking to get in the stock market. I hate to burst your bubble on it, and this video mightn't go well, but I don't really care, because it is made solely to help people understand that this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you want that, maybe buy a lotto ticket, I don't know. So guys, I don't know whether you've enjoyed this video. If you have, click that like and subscribe. Again, if you have any questions to do with in the stock market or need any help or advice, put them in the comments below or email me directly. I'm happy to help as always. Again guys, if you are green, stay green. God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education. And I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link guys, I hope you all enjoy.